one of the great scientists in Japan, Michio Kaku. He has written a book named God Equation. He says, when I am studying in second standard, my teacher taught us about the space. Because there is a superpower, that is a God. Beyond the ability, beyond the skill of the human, there is something controlling this universe. That is the superpower, that is the Lord. And he is just giving the example, space. How? If the earth is the closest to the sun, it will be burnt. If the earth is far away from the sun, it will be frozen. So it is sure there is somebody who is controlling and managing by giving the earth in the middle of the planets. Like that, everything. If anybody, any parent, if there is any parent hearing my words, I just want to attract their attention for telling something. That if you are asking to your child who is studying in the 8th or in any high school